Hi Dot, today I am sharing this large cable metering, sorting, cutting, winding, and rewinding machine. Now let's take a look at the production operation process of the product. The first step is to thread the wire flat. The knife edge position is in the screen. Clear the curt length. Enter the corresponding wire diameter and the number of wires. The operation interface can be switched between Chinese and English. Now the operation interface is switched to the English version. After setting the parameters, return to the interface. Press the reset button. Start the machine. Hang the wire well. Lock the reel. Use a quick lock to lock the reel. It is convenient and fast. The way of winding can be wound around a hollow reel. It can also be wound around the eye-shaft reel. Check and hang the wire. Start the machine. The machine will quickly and automatically arrange the wire. The winding speed can be adjusted. Follow your winding machine and use it together with the payoff machine. The effect will be better. The wiring effect is very beautiful. It is the same as arranging the wiring manually. It will be automatically cut off after reaching the number of meters we need. Take a look. Wrap the product well. The wiring is neat and orderly. It is very beautiful. Remember to help like, collect, and share.